Oh boy, it's cold. What are those? Do we have some duckies? I can't really see them, but it looks like a bunch of little duckies. Hello, duckies! Oh, maybe seagulls. I don't think they're ducks. Oh, sorry about the bad zoom. I suck at taking videos. What would you do different? How would you take a better video? You could leave me a comment. You can take good photographs. It's never good at taking videos. What's that?
Did you just see all of it?
Like I just tripped over one of these pieces of metal. Oh my god. That was stupid. It's alright. I want to die. I want to die on a cruise ship. A great big cruise ship. Top of the lifeboats. Pretty complex. Well, those lifeboats. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Now we're picking up speed again. You had to slow down really slow because the current was about 16 miles per hour, or 60 knots, 1/6, and we had to slow down and get really close to the land to get out of the current. It was kind of a hairy situation for whoever's operating the ship on the bridge. And now it looks like we're clear of that narrow channel, and we are moving along. There's a little spout. It looks like that little tour boat's kind of going straight towards him. I missed that one. Yeah, he's too far gone now.
Oh, he's coming right towards us too. Woohoo!
Mr. Whales. Like two of them are out there. Somebody needs to throw a big salmon off the ship to lure him in. There he goes.
There we go. Woohoo! I wanted this so bad. I didn't get to see my eagles, but I wanted some.
Yeah, there were some eagles a couple miles back.
Oh, really?
In the trees, yeah, like 2 or 3 of them.
I missed that the whole trip. Come back up. Looks like he's going away from us this time. Hello.
Oh.
one more time. I gotta go
Yeah, a
already.
couple whales out there.
I have dinner reservations at 5:45. I can see right where he might be.
Like, I'm just a little bird. Give me some attention. Oh, I'm inside right now. It looks like there's a whale spinning around out here.
Mario trolley, 5 minutes.
Huh? It's full trolley.
Yeah, I throw.
But I need for garbage and everything. You must
Just
get
gather on run because my girls me because they take some food and they fight very fast.
every time somebody tell me.
Say hi. Alright, everyone back at home.
Oh, we're gonna have to find somewhere.
Waving to the airplane. Everybody's waving to them. Shannon, happy birthday, Shannon. I just bought you that boat. They're driving it over to Daytona right now so you can have your boat. It's all for you, Shannon. It's got a nice kitchen and a bedroom and a theater. And you got all those things over there on that boat you can do. I don't know what boat that is, but it's all yours, Shannon. Happy early birthday, kiddo. Lots of junk in the water. Seaweeds and stuff. And more. Ship keeps running over it. We have been in Canada for about a day and a half. There's some clear cut where they're cutting logs. Haven't seen a whale for about an hour. I'm sure they're out there. Burn, it's cold. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get my sweater.